Sup guys, over here with a very chill video about the campaign on Galxe called Mission WEB3. This campaign consists of 6 modules. Currently only 4 modules are available, so this is gonna be a 2-part video. Today we're gonna cover first 4 modules, and then second part is gonna be module 5 and 6. This campaign has pretty simple interactions, very limited amount of on-chain stuff, just several transactions basically in the first 4 modules, and mainly quizzes, so it's mostly educational. Doesn't say much about rewards, obviously. All we know that we're gonna get some NFTs. We're gonna start with module 1 obviously, and here I'm not gonna cut too much from the video, just basically gonna take quizzes in real time. I have answers on my second monitor, so I'll be just putting that from there. Hopefully they didn't move the questions. Also, with the recent changes on Galxe, sometimes it just doesn't update when you claim the points. I'm getting some errors from time to time, but they usually doesn't mean anything. Of course, all answers gonna be in description. Okay, the last part of this module. As you can see, apart from quizzes, you gotta just open a bunch of pages. Okay, that was module 1. Module 2, find your wallet. Here we have B. Next one is also just quiz. This one is longer. We have A, C, B, A, B, C, B. Yeah, it looks like they didn't move any questions, so that's good. Alright, claiming. So assume from every module we're getting the NFT. And to get the second module NFT, you need to hold module 1 NFT. So you can only do these modules one by one, I assume. And this is where we get the first on-chain task of finding your wallet on the base mainnet of at least 2 USD worth of ETH. Now, if you expand that, it says that you can bridge via the main bridge or third-party bridges. Obviously, if you're doing the bare minimum, I would not recommend using the native bridge because you will need to move ETH from Ethereum mainnet, and that's not going to be cheap. So I would recommend using third-party bridges. For reference, you can check my latest video on base mainnet. There is a list of bridges there. I will put that in description as well. So switch to base mainnet. For some reason it's asking me to connect the wallet when the wallet is clearly connected. Let's try to refresh. Okay, there is something wrong here. I will switch manually. Yeah, now we can claim. There's something wrong with the switch. Oh, this one is not gasless. What? But it's like literally 2 cents. Yeah, I thought all NFTs are gonna be gasless, but apparently not. Whatever. Let's go to module 3. Networks and tokens. Alright. Here we got B and C. Yeah, these errors, the trace IDs, I don't know what these are. I only started noticing them when they changed the interface. Here we got A and C. Yeah, if I don't get the credit on the visit, I just click again and then refresh the page. That usually works. So here we need to be module 2 holder, then visit the course, follow Galxe on Twitter and claim Galxe OAT. You need to participate in any Galxe campaign and claim the OAT. I assume everybody have that, but if for some reason it's your first time interacting with the Galxe, you can just go to the main page and find campaign that awards OAT. This one will do, for example, Particle Network and OPBNB purely social, and you can claim the OAT with the gasless claim. Just in case, I will link this one in description too. Okay, let's try to claim this one. This is also not gasless. Alright, let's go to module number 4. This is DEX. Got lengthy quizzes here. Okay, B, then C 4 times. C, and C. And then B 4 times. B, and B. Okay, good. Claiming. Okay, for this one we got B, C, B, C, 2 B's, B, and C. I don't know who's making these. Why it's always B's and C's. It's so funny sometimes, even in the quizzes where you get like 4 possible answers, so like A, B, C, D. In some quizzes you just get in like B, C, B. That's just odd sometimes. But it doesn't matter. Okay, here in the last task we need to visit. Again, let's pass the quiz. Well, here we got 1A. First one's gonna be A, then B, C, B, C, and B, B, B. Last task here is actually on chain. We need to go to Uniswap and make one swap on base with a volume of at least 1 USD. I only have ETH here, so I'll just swap ETH. Let's do USDC. That should be enough. I'll actually do this. Alright. Swap submitted, and this should be confirmed. Let's try to verify. Yeah, we got it. And we can claim the NFT. Okay, so we completed first 4 modules. We're gonna wait for the module 5 and 6. Module 5 is gonna be Blur. Module 6 is gonna be Stargate. Hopefully we'll have more on-chain tasks for these modules. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.